Hi. Hello. Hi. Good morning. I know. Stop filming and get your breakfast. I get it. All right, it's official. I've started decorating for Christmas. Lots more to go. First, I got to take down Thanksgiving, though. We had rain overnight around 3 a.m. I was stirring then, and I heard it. You can see all my poor flowers are gone. Bummer. And I got Tux in his spot. He actually started eating next to Morris for a minute. I'm glad he's able to share. He doesn't seem to get upset until after the morning feeding. So that's good. And Stripe is up top. I'm going to need to move him because Marty's like, where's my other bowl? But hey, you got the good stuff for a few minutes. Why don't you come down below now, though, okay? So poor Marty doesn't get confused and we don't have a problem. Come on down. Good morning, pretty boy. Good morning. Hi. Go get it. It's in the low 50s this morning. It's not too bad out here. And it's drying. And I think it's supposed to stay sunny, so that would be nice. My goal today is make sure Thanksgiving and Halloween are completely tucked away. Probably do the table for Christmas, swap out the flags, take down Tom Turkey. I'm not going to do any major Christmas decorating today. It'll be more about putting up Thanksgiving and making the way for Christmas decorating. But it'll feel a little festive after I'm done. Thank you for being such a good helper. You headed out to the mailbox to change out that one now? Don is on swap out flag detail, at least some of them. He always at least does the one at the street. Because I'll put it in the car and think to do it for like 4 days and... Thank you!
Yeah, the turkey's drying. I turned him on early.
So we'll do him late in the day.
Yeah.
We're going to put one of... I'm pretty sure we're going to put one of the kitty cats there. I have 2 to choose from. Aww. And I'll just let that be on your list today. Yeah. He's got new fasteners on the lid so it won't things won't slide anymore.
They homemade cleats.
Right. My original engineering worked for the little guys, but not the turkey, and Don had to re-engineer it, which is fine, which is great. Hi, Mart. Aww. That makes me smile. Don changed the one by the Hornets.
Oh, what's your safety score?
I don't know, but I'll go look.
Notice I didn't say what's my safety score. I don't have a safety score because I don't get.
I'll be driving us everywhere we go in Jules this weekend. That's right.
That's right. We go to get 100 so she can get her
invite
self-driving.
And then we're gonna let Dawn drive.
And then yeah.
So I can film.
I'm the guy who needs all the help.
Well, you're the guy that's really good with autopilot and taking over, which is the honest truth. Oh my goodness, Don told me he was coming out here to blow the parking pad and then wash Ruby. And apparently it's a double Tesla wash-a-thon. He hasn't seen me yet. It's a double Tesla wash-a-thon. Way cool. Well, I just got yesterday's video sent to render. I was behind. I was so exhausted last night I could not stay awake. So I apologize for that. And it's about 12:30 and I'm gonna work on putting some Thanksgiving stuff up, some autumn stuff up while Dawn does the cars. Or maybe said with more girl power, it was a first solution that someone else could come behind and make better after they saw what was going on even more. More innovation based on my original solution.
Yeah.
Well, we almost waited too long to go walk.
Almost.
We're parked in a little different spot up here at South Park, and if you'll notice, the flags are basically, yeah, it's windy out there. So we're gonna try to stay in the sun. It's 47 degrees per joules right now, and
that's probably accurate.
Probably pretty accurate, but the sun's gonna drop quick here at 3:55 p.m. Donnie, I'm gonna make it one whole lap. Donnie, I'm gonna make it one whole lap.
You go, girl.
My heart rate's at 173. Right here at the scoreboard, it's the whole way. Yay! First time ever.
Wait, congratulations.
Honestly, I could have gone a little farther. I wasn't dying.
My girl, she did great. Kick butt.
Woo!
Kick butt. Kick butt. Woo!
Yeah, they pulled him over for a ticket. Poor guy. He come down and got him over here by the water tower. He must have been in the neighborhood, and the guy come down Judd Parkway too fast. I think it's still 45 there, but it might be 35 for a small stretch. You know, just to catch you. Yeah, but then on the other side of the stoplight here going to Walmart, it's 45, so go figure.
Wow, there it is. 5,583 steps. It was 47 minutes, 11 seconds, so very close. 2.55 miles and 1830 per pace. 18 minutes 30 seconds per mile.
Well, we did the building once, and probably that means we did the track either 6 or 7 times.
Yeah, we did a lot. I was going around
and around and around, but it got so late in the day in the sun, and I was doing good on the flat ground with my running, and it was just okay to do a little. I don't want to do that all the time because the trail is prettier, but okay.
She did
I
good.
got my I'm over 10,000 steps and I'm over 30 exercise minutes, but I still need 4 stand hours.
Can't help you there.
Well, sometimes you do. At 11 o'clock at night, I just hand you my watch and you go for me. This will be the one time in the whole year that Don will be in PetSmart. Yeah. We're hoping to get some unscented kitty litter like normal on Black Friday, and the kind that I want is not on Black Friday special this year.
Yeah, but they give you $1
off for buying 2, and Don lifted it for me. That's pretty cute. We don't need that, but that is really cute. To bring out your inner superhero elf. A superhero version of the elf on the shelf. Parks 100 cars. Well, I'm more interested in racing them down the mountain. I want to race them. I see what they got going here. It almost, for 10 bucks, almost, if there were some more holidays.
Yeah, but if they could make it triangular.
Oh,
3-sided.
at least the third one, huh?
Yeah.
Huh. I like that idea.